Welcome you all in your own YouTube channel of Skill Rashtra Institute of Technology for the unlimited conceptual and practical knowledge about the construction industry. In this video, we are going to learn about the top 5 under construction mega projects in India. Construction sector is a key driver for any country's development and economic growth. India is setting up a new records in infrastructure development by building many of the world's biggest, tallest, largest, highest, and the longest structures in the country. As a result, India can now be found on the global infrastructure map for constructing the world's largest infrastructure projects. As per the Global Construction 2030 report, after USA and China, India will become the third largest construction market in the world. As we move top in the list, you will be feel what a awesome projects India is having. So let's start with the list. The fifth project in the list is Zojila Tunnel, Kargil, Ladakh. This tunnel is between Srinagar and Kargil, which will be going to be about 14.15 kilometer in the length, and the cost will be approximately 6,809 crore inclusive of the land, which is going to make this as the longest bilateral tunnel in Asia. Tunnel will save the users from the unsafe road and all weather connectivity. The projects hold the strategic significance and at altitude of 4,000 meters. At present, it is the one of the most dangerous stretches in the world to drive a vehicle, and this project is also geostrategically sensitive. The project will going to require approximately 5 years to complete. In virtual ceremony, Minister Gadkari termed this project as a moment of pride for India. Even Prime Minister of India called this project as a modern day marvel because it will be reduced 3 hours of a journey just in 15 minutes. The features of the tunnel which make it a modern day marvel. This tunnel will bring a new light to the locals and consist of a new guidance system. It also includes CCTV monitoring, uninterrupted power supply, traffic lodging equipment, emergency lighting, variable message signs, tunnel radio system, overhead vehicle control, and self-driving fighting system. It will also consist of pedestrian cross point, emergency phone, full transverse ventilation system, and other latest safety features which make this tunnel will be a advanced tunnel, and after getting the completion it is going to be achieve a landmark in the history of the modern India. In number 4 we are having a Chenab Bridge project, Jammu Kashmir. The 1.315 kilometer long Indian Railway steel and concrete arch bridge being constructed over a Chenab River. At a height of 359 meters, that is 35 meters higher than the iconic Eiffel Tower, which make it as a world highest railway bridge. Arch span is 467 meters, which make the bridge as the seventh largest arch-shaped bridge in the world. This project is first of its kind in India. The country has no codes or design guidance for such a massive structure. Based on experience drawn from a similar kind of a project worldwide, the design practice for the bridge are being followed. BS 5400 is being used for the basic guidance, design and construction of the bridge. The bridge has been designed to withstand a wind speed of 260 km per hour for a lifespan of 120 years. Steel was chosen to construct the bridge as it will be more economical and able to resist minus 20 degrees Celsius. To enhance the safety and security, special blast-proof steel is used and concrete pillars of the bridge are designed to withstand explosions. Even it can withstand earthquake of 8 Richter scale. A ring of area security and online monitoring system will be installed on the bridge to make sure that the passengers and trains are protected in the critical conditions. A special type of corrosion resistant paint has been prepared which will be last for at least 15 years. Generally the lifespan of a normal paint will be 5 to 7 years only. One of the biggest challenge involved in this project is the valley depth and no approach road for such a high voluminous structure which is expected to require about 8 million cubic meter of excavation and about 25,000 metric ton of a steel quantity and also a concrete quantity of 46,000 cubic meter. For such a important structure, DRDO is closely working with the Indian Railway. Currently, the title of the world highest bridge is with Subai Railway Bridge of China. Upon completion of a Chenab bridge, it will take the title of world highest railway bridge. Third project in the list is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Smarak, Maharashtra. The project is located facing to the Mumbai's Gurgaon Chowpatty, and the project from the Gurgaon Chowpatty will be approximately 1.5 km away. The statue will be of height 126 meter and it will be placed on a top of 84-meter pedestal, making the total height of the monument equals to 212 meter. Initially it was planned for 192 meter, but as the state government want to keep the statue as the tallest competing against any of the upcoming statue of the world, the project area is planned to be spread around 1,30,000 square meters of area and cost will be 2,500 crore. After completion of the project, this project is not only consist of a statue but all many other features also. It consists of a helipad, garden, library, food court, convention center with a capacity of 10,000 people, museum, exhibition gallery, amphitheater, and hospital. The memorial will showcase the replicas of the Shivaji's fort. As of now, there is no construction work has been started so that we can able to tell the difficulties faced in the construction project because of the stay order by Bombay High Court. The reason of putting the stay order is a petition has been filed by the Conservation Action Trust, that is CAT, so that state government need to prove in the court that due to this project there will be no harm to the environment. But as the construction will start and we are going to prepare a more detailed video by the construction difficulties faced in the site. Currently, the title of World Tallest Statue is with Statue of Unity, and after the completion of the Shivaji Maharaj Smarak, it will take the title of World's Tallest Statue. The second project in the list is Hyperloop Train, Maharashtra. Let's first understand in a nutshell what is Hyperloop concept. Hyperloop is a transportation system in which pods are travel with the help of magnetic field and in a very low air pressure. So the air resistance is almost zero, and because of which the pods are able to achieve more than 1200 km of a speeds. This concept is the first time introduced to the world by Elon Musk in 2013, and many countries are in the initial and trial phase of Hyperloop. India's first Hyperloop has been introduced between Mumbai to Pune by Devendra Fadnavis at a cost of 70,000 crore, which will reduce the travel time from current 3 to 4 hours into a 25-minute between Mumbai to Pune. The top speed has been proposed of more than 1100 km per hour, while the operation speed will be 360 km per hour. The project is divided into two phases. The first is the trial phase between Gaunze to Ozande of 11.4 km track, and the second will be the Mumbai to Pune of 117.5 km. The things are moving slowly in the direction, and suddenly the government of Maharashtra has been changed. Any new government put the projects by the previous government on a review, which will take a time. I hope and wish India will take this opportunity and leads the delivery of a Hyperloop and become a global supplier and developer of a Hyperloop. In the list, the first project is Dholela Special Investment Region, that is in Gujarat. DSIR is a greenfield smart city project which is approximately 130 km from the Gandhinagar and 100 km from the Ahmedabad, spread across an area of 920 square meter of area, which is 2 times larger than the Delhi city and 6 times larger than the Shanghai city of China. Project divided into three phases. The first phase is consist of 52% of industrial area and 28% of a residential area. Work is going in full-fledged and expected to be finished till 2022. The second phase will be expected to finish in 2032, and the third phase is established to be finished on 2042. The world-class city is also having a world-class transportation system. The city having its own international airport with a capacity of 50 million people per year, and the first phase of the airport is expected to operation in 2022. It is also having a connectivity of a metro rail with the neighboring city and a 6-lane highway and an international level of a seaport. After completion of the project, this city will be having a title of one of the world's largest greenfield city. And we can also say that it will be having India's own Singapore. What is your opinion? Just let us know in the comment which of the project you like the most, or any of the project you want a detailed video. Just let us know in the comment section. If you learn something new, kindly like and subscribe to our channel for the unlimited conceptual and practical knowledge about the construction industry. You can also follow us on the Instagram and Facebook. Link is in the description. See you in the next video.